This is definitely what you'd call thick undergrowth. Nature's hiding all kinds of secrets in there. I'm gradually clearing this area of woodland, but there's all kinds of things in there. Box, sycamore, ivy, brambles, you name it. And it's a bit of a slope here, and with the first of the autumn rains, it's a bit slippy. But otherwise, it's a nice day to be doing the job. And I've got, with the leaves still on most of the trees, that lovely autumn accompaniment of the breeze. Makes a lovely tuneful sound through the trees. Isn't that lovely? Please subscribe for more.